All right, good news, guys. I have found a place to get composted topsoil by the trailer load so that we can continue with our emergency garden. We used up all of the bags I was able to purchase, which was, I was able to get 8 bags, and at $9 a piece, that adds up fast, and it doesn't go as far as you think it might. And so I found a place locally that sells composted soil by bulk. I've just got to go get it, and it's $40 for a cubic yard. So that's the equivalent of 27 of those $9 bags. So you do the math. Anyway, so I've hooked up the trailer, and I'm heading to town to go get it, and then we're going to work on the emergency garden again today, see what else we can get planted real quick. Hey everybody, back from town. Went and got the composted soil, and that stuff looks really good, really good. So much cheaper than buying it by the bag. And so we've got some dirt that we can put together more parts of the emergency garden, get some more stuff put in the ground, and I'll show you that next. I'm back, everybody. Offgridmaker. We got more beds done today. Gave everything a drink. Everything's looking good. These beds over here, we just made them out of logs and rocks, stumps, just anything we could to hold dirt and put food in. This dirt that I picked up today from the local compost plant looks really good and much cheaper than buying bags of dirt at the big box store or the farm store. So I think this is going to work out pretty good. We used about 2/3 of the dirt that I went and picked up. I picked up a square yard, ran $40. So got everything covered with wire to keep the maniac gardeners out. And that's it for today. We'll see what we can get done tomorrow if I get home in time.